10 voor half, nee, 10 over half 4, 3:30 is 10 minutes past that time, so 3:30. So then you know that it's 10 minutes past that time. Oh my God, I hate telling the time. 20 to 4. I've been talking about time and making plans and making appointments to see friends for a really long time now in Dutch as a language. And planning and talking about time in the Dutch still makes me confused. It still takes me a really long time to work out exactly what time we're talking about and how my English brain has to try and work around how to tell the time in Dutch, which sounds kind of simple, but if you're an English speaker and you are learning Dutch, you will feel me. You will know exactly what it's like. Now, numbers have never been my strong point. That's not my favorite thing to do. I prefer words and language. So maybe it's just my hate for numbers coming back to haunt me in another language, but telling the time in Dutch is difficult for me. So let's start this with sort of like broad terms used to break up the actual day. Ochtend and morgen both mean morning. And as far as I can tell, technically they're interchangeable, but they're not really used in the same way. And I can't find a rule or an example where this is really clearly explained. Ochtend is morning. Morgen can also mean tomorrow. And it sounds more natural if you were going to say something like goeiemorgen. You would say goeiemorgen, not goede ochtend. It just doesn't sound as natural. I don't know if it's a feeling. I don't know if it's regional. I have learnt my Dutch in a very specific part of the Netherlands. And as far as I can tell, every time I make a video and go through the comments, a lot of these things are regional and are done differently in other places. If I was to say something like, wat deed je vanochtend? That sounds more normal than wat deed je vanmorgen? But then I could say, ik stond vanmorgen vroeg op. And that sounds better than vanochtend. So there's a little bit of interchangeability. And again, I don't know the rule. The ochtend refers to from about 6 o'clock in the morning till 12, so right up until lunchtime. However, I have read that in Belgium, it actually means from 6 o'clock in the morning till about 9 or 9:30. And then they have this little middle time between then and 12, which is voormiddag. So this little, 2 hours voormiddag. So whether you have voormiddag or not, with or without it, you move from 12 o'clock into middag. Middag is like this really general term that is used to basically describe 12 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the evening. And I find this so difficult to get my head around because people will make plans and they'll say voormiddag. And then in my head, I'm like, but when is that? Is it just after lunchtime, which is also middag, or is it after work, which would be middag? There's a few other combinations of words, so people will say namiddag or eindmiddag. But I feel like just having a term like middag makes it so much more complicated for me. I think I took this rule and then applied the fact that afternoon comes after midday in English, and then that afternoon would translate to avond because avond comes after middag. This is not right. I don't know why my English brain tried to link these two things together, and I still do it. Vanmiddag and then avond. Avond is from 6 o'clock in the evening till midnight, until it gets dark. Afternoon is like namiddag, actually. So it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon till 6. I'm confusing everyone. I feel like this sounds confusing, and this is exactly what happens in my head, and this is why I still can't tell the time in Dutch. So again, avond is like this really broad time. It's about 6 hours of time where people will say, we'll do it vanavond. And then I think, but that could literally mean any time from when I'm finished work to midnight at night. And then after middernacht, so after midnight, then you move into 's nachts. So you've got like actual nighttime. So that's 12 till about 6 o'clock in the morning again when you swap back into Ochtend. I also read, not from a super reliable source, so please, if this is wrong, tell me in the comments. But if it's 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, in English, I would say, well, it was in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning on the Thursday. However, I read that Vandal, the Dutch dictionary, they say that that time actually still belongs to the Wednesday before. So you would say 2 uur 's nachts woensdag, and that the date or the day doesn't really swap over until you swap back into Ochtend. So yeah, I feel like I've confused you. I've confused myself just talking about it. I'm going to put a table on screen and you guys can see what words are used to break up what part of the day. So to start this next section up nice and easy and very uncomplicated, there are some similarities. So the hour is literally the number in Dutch, and then you whack the word uur on the end and that becomes the time. 9 o'clock is 9 uur. 7 o'clock, 7 uur. This is very simple, very straightforward. I get this. I can work with this. In English, well, in Australia, we use 12-hour time. So you would actually have to state whether it was day, AM or PM. In Dutch, in the Netherlands, they use 24-hour time. And this in itself took me a little while to get used to when you're booking appointments, when you're looking up opening times for shops, when you're even looking on your phone. So if you're learning Dutch, make sure that you learn the numbers up to 24 so that you can actually tell the time or ask what time it is and understand it instead of just learning the numbers up until 12. Now, the second part of this, which is also not super complicated, is the quarter past and quarter to, which in English is pretty straightforward and in Dutch is also really straightforward. So you have kwart voor and kwart over. Kwart voor and kwart over. So 4 is before and over is past. So where it gets complicated for me is the half an hour times. They don't focus on the hour that's just gone and that the half an hour is past that time. They focus on the half an hour and the hour that it's going to. So 4:30 in English would actually be 5:30. So it's half the way to 5 o'clock, and that's 4:30. That's kind of how my English brain has to break it down. It's halfway to 5. Half 5. Yeah. To add on to this complication for me, you start adding these numbers on either side of the half an hour time. So you can have 10 voor or 10 over the half time. So let me just give you an example. If I was to say 10 voor 10:30, what time do you think that is? 10 voor 10:30, halfway to 11, so it's 10:30, but it's 10 minutes before that. So it's 10:20. And that's literally the process my brain has to go through every time I'm trying to tell the time or someone's told me what time something's happening, or I have to try and interpret some sort of meeting or plan. My brain is literally like adding on all of these layers and I just can't speed the process up no matter what I do. And it's the same going the other way. So 10 over 4 is halfway to 4, so 3:30, and it's 10 minutes past that time. So then you know that it's 3:40. So in English, you would always focus on the hour. There are some great YouTube videos done by actual people who speak Dutch. So go and watch them and maybe they have a better explanation. This is how my English brain has to try and break down the times, and I'm also asking for a bit of help. How can I speed this process up? How can I remember what time of day belongs to Ochtend, middag, avond, nacht, middernacht, all of the different things. I've also read that in Belgium, they don't really tell the time like this. They tell the time in a similar manner to what I'm used to speaking English. So they focus on the hour, and then they just talk about whether the minutes are for or over that hour. I haven't been to Belgium recently, and I also haven't spoke to any Belgians. So if you guys are Belgian, let me know in the comments if that is correct. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.